Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through configuring a proxy in the antidetect BitBrowser. Let's get started. First, launch BitBrowser and in the left menu, locate and select Browser Profiles. At the top of the screen, click Add to create a new profile. Name your profile and then scroll to the Proxy section. Here, you need to choose Custom in the proxy method parameter. Next, select your proxy connection type. I'll demonstrate using the SOCKS 5 protocol. Enter the proxy IP address in the host section and the corresponding port below it. If using a free proxy, username and password fields are not needed. However, for a private proxy, fill these in. If your proxy supports manual rotation, add a link in the Refresh Proxy field. Once all proxy data is entered, verify it by clicking Check Proxy. The browser also offers additional settings for enhanced anonymity, like uploading your own cookies or fine-tuning the user agent and profile fingerprint. Finally, save your profile by clicking Confirm. And that's it. Your proxy setup in BitBrowser is complete. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.